in Bratislava this morning. We pulled through on the train. We're busy standing along a pedestrian bridge along the Danube River. Look how beautiful. There's some maniac kayaking out there in the sub-zero weather, but hey, you do you, bruv. Where are we heading, baby?
Like right now?
Yeah, like right now.
I'm probably going to go back to one of those Christmas markets and get a donut thing.
Ooh, donut on a stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had
Good. Look at
I had a very delicious, what was it? Like a jam croissant pretzel thingy earlier. There's a picture of it here. It was delicious. But yeah, let's go back to the Christmas market for a bit, then we're going to go on a walking tour later. We've been doing walking tours in every city, and it's a great way to learn about like the history of the old town and that, and just to see what's around. The Bratislava Castle is also here. We just went past it, took a video. We're going to go into it later in the week. But yeah, let's head out back to the Christmas market. Good morning, Maria.
Morning.
Where are we today?
We're in Bratislava, Slovakia.
Oh, and what's happening over here?
Well, we're about to leave and go do a walking tour.
Cool, that's really nice. How's the apartment so far?
Yeah, it's good. Not really an apartment, it's a hostel.
Yeah, it's the patio hostel. Yeah, review of the room so far?
Well, way better than the place we stayed in at Vienna.
Yeah, definitely. We even have a little table on that to watch Netflix and that on. Well, I watched 2 episodes of Stranger Things last night on the bed. It was really good. It's really scary actually. Yeah, a lot more space. Even got a little cupboard for clothes and that. Should we go head out to the old town? Yeah. Yay!
So we are a free country at this moment. Just if you are leaving the tour early, please let me know. Just say, Roman, we are leaving, bye. So I know you are leaving. I won't be panicking that I lost some tourists somewhere in the city center. Tap water, and I have to tell you, our tap water is very high quality and completely safe to drink. So everywhere in our country, you are free to drink our tap water. It's completely safe. There was a small kitchen fire in the barracks of the castle, but everybody here was so drunk they had no idea what to do.
Hey vlog, look what's up. Me and Maria have made a little pilgrimage here to the Blue Church. Don't know any of the historical significance behind it, don't know why it's so famous, but it's like a really pretty blue church out here in the middle of Bratislava, and we have come to visit it. Check, so pretty. Got a big spire and everything. Also so interesting, all the Catholic buildings and that in like the east, I know it's Central Europe, but towards the east of Europe as well, are so interesting because so many of the figures in that are more Slavic. Like I've been to a few churches in St. Petersburg and all the same religious imagery in that, but with all Slavic features in that on all of the drawings and all of the like stained glass windows and that. So there in the middle you can see like a very different, almost Slavic profile of the one of the famous scenes. I think that's supposed to be Mary and baby Jesus on the left. I'm not sure, I'm no religious aficionado, but yeah, super interesting and pretty blue church. Let's walk around the other side and see what we can see. Do something cool. So Maria and I are down here by the river. This is apparently old bridge, even though it's the newest bridge that's been built in Bratislava. And that behind us over there with the UFO tower on it is the new bridge, even though it's one of the oldest bridges in Bratislava. Apparently their naming schemes are interesting around here.
It's because it connects the new part of town, I think.
Yes, I think that's what he said.
Yeah.
We had a very good tour guide on our walking tour. But it's freezing cold out here. But it's really pretty to see the Danube River and to see all the trade and that's going on. We see our German and Dutch flag over there. I think there's some boats here that go all the way up to the various countries. Ah, nice. Bratislava is a really small town, but really cool. Yes, that's cold. So we made it into the cathedral. What's this? St. Michael's Cathedral.
Yeah.
It's beautiful in here. Maria, how's the Christmas market?
Really cool. We have some slightly different things to the ones in Germany and Austria. But yeah, cool.
Potatoes are like the natural dish here, so there's a lot of potatoes and garlic and potatoes and
A lot more hot
cheese.
meals as well.
Yeah.
Like, not as many snacky foods as there were like in Germany and Austria.
In Austria, all they had was hot wine, Glühwein, and it's disgusting.
And
Sorry.
here all they have is hot punch.
Yeah, sorry, Floor, but it's disgusting. Ugh. But yeah, really pretty Christmas market.
7 deadly
I
sins.
think we're going to hit the supermarket on the way home and then spend some time in the nice warmth before watching the soccer tonight. It's only 12 minutes past 4 and it's already getting dark. So yeah, my stomach says it's dinner time and my hands say it's inside time because it's freezing. But yeah, beautiful Christmas market. Bratislava has been really pretty and we're still here tomorrow. Hey vlog, so we're at the top of the Crown Tower in Bratislava Castle. How's the view, Maria?
Really pretty. It could be better if it weren't so misty, but...
Yeah, and this pane of glass here is like super misty. I don't know if you can see it better over here. But yeah, you can see the whole of Bratislava. Over there on the river, there's a boat coming down. I think it's either coming from Vienna or from Holland. From the Netherlands, from Holland. But yeah, it's really pretty up here. And in the distance, you can see the misty skyscrapers of Bratislava. Really cool. Really good museum down here. Really worth a visit. Especially because you get a lovely view of the whole city. Let me not knock my head. Oh wow! Especially because you get a lovely free view of the entire city. Maybe, where are we?
At the Palace Gardens here in Bratislava.
Yeah. How's the weather?
Pretty cold, like actually not as cold as previous days, but it's like very misty and yeah, feel like it's gonna rain almost.
Yeah, I feel like there is some moisture in the air. How many layers are you wearing?
Like 4 or 5, like on top and like 2
Yeah.
like pants. So
It's going down to like -12 when we're in Prague tomorrow, and so I have 2 layers of pants on finally just to get prepared. But yeah, really good. We're gonna go out to the Slovak pub for dinner tonight. We'll see you there. Where are we?
we're at the Slovak pub. Just tried whoooooooole, I think it's pronounced. It's like a Slovakian version of Coke. Yeah, it's not as sweet as Coke, and it's a lot more like herbally. But yeah, I still think I prefer Coke.
Yeah, Coke has that sweetness that this doesn't have. This tastes a lot more herbally, almost like Dr. Pepper. Yeah, it's fine. I'd drink it if there wasn't Coke around, but if there's Coke around, that's my jam. We also ordered some traditional like goat's cheese and potatoes and cabbage soup, so keen to try it. So Maria, what do we have here?
We have some cabbage soup with some sausage and I think cheese on top, and then potato dumplings with goat's cheese and bacon.
What do you think of the food, Maria?
I like both of them. I like the soup and the potato dumplings. Very heavy, so like, yeah, but it's good. It's good in this weather. I don't know, not so much in summer.
I really like the potato dumplings and bacon. It's very hearty. Makes me feel like I'm gonna get into a warm bed soon. The cabbage soup is okay. Not my favorite.
I like it.
Nice to have some traditional food for a change and not just supermarket food. Sandwiches.